Hello, this is Abhishek Ray, and you are in the city of joy. This, and now I am in a Tram Museum. Tram Museum shows the history of 1873 Tram, which was first run in Calcutta. So this how I'm going to share some detail of Tram Museum. Here's a small cafeteria of CTC where some people are rejoicing their time, share their beautiful time with each other by discussing in a cup of coffees, and that may creates a good fun. And this coach, this is divided into two sections, and this here are some exhibitions, some histories of tram. CTC has given their service from 1873 to till now. These are some old miniatures of trams. These are some batches as given earlier to the drivers and the pilots. Some omnibuses, caps, others bearings, some other school batches which are used to design. Oh my goodness, look, here is an ankle differentials, which is a steam tram. Some old coins of 2 annas and some old vintage time coins, 1 rupee coin. Oh, here it's written the George King Imperial. Can you see that? Oh, my camera is not focusing. Okay, now you can see. Okay, these are some more other trams which are additional diver like a toy. I think it should not be here. Some old tram tickets which are decorated very beautifully. Some new design trams as designed by CTC, and some old pen stands. You can see here some nibs, old nibs, pens. Fully air conditioned, fully comfortable. Kolkata people's maximum of Kolkata people doesn't know about it, and I think they must visit this place, promote this place as the most beautiful corner of Calcutta. Getting a tea here, it's all beautiful. Here is the sculptures of a tram conductor with all his uniform, and earlier and now. This shows the whole history of CTC from the time of 1873, 20 February, the first time the trams runs in Calcutta. Thank you for listening to me.